Now before I do anything else, I'm going to ask him to back up, which if he's your horse, he should already have this. Perfect. And whenever I'm doing showmanship, you know, horsemanship, I want them outside of my bubble and I want them leading here outside of my bubble. So we have to break this for showmanship. But so much of that is true whenever we're doing horsemanship. We're thinking about safety. We're talking about clear messaging. We're talking about being ridiculously obvious. When I start riding a show horse, my riding seat changes. The way I carry myself changes. The way I carry the reins change. Well, in showmanship, it's the same thing. Now we're going to tell him to be inside of our bubble. When I'm starting, this is day one for him. I want to put him on the rail here so he can't really dance around. And I want him to be right here by my shoulder.